In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas across sheets in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever kept related data on separate tabs like months, projects, or departments, you can still calculate results on a summary sheet without copying anything over. I'll show you two reliable ways: pulling a single value from another sheet and creating a 3D sum that adds the same cell across multiple sheets. Start by opening Excel and navigating to the sheet where you want the result to appear. Click the exact cell where you want the answer to go. To reference a single cell on a different sheet, type an equal sign. Now switch to the target sheet by clicking its tab along the bottom. Click the cell you want to pull from, then press enter. Excel writes the reference for you, something like sheet 2B3. If a sheet name has spaces or special characters, Excel automatically adds single quotes around it. The value you selected now appears on your original sheet, and it will update anytime the source cell changes. A quick tip: if you plan to copy this formula across rows or columns, consider locking the row or column with dollar signs to prevent your reference from shifting unintentionally. Also, if you later delete the reference sheet, the formula will return a ref error, so keep an eye on sheet management. Now let's sum the same cell across multiple sheets, a classic 3D reference. Click the summary cell where you want the total, type "Isoación," but don't close it yet. Click the tab of the first sheet in your group, then hold Shift and click the last sheet in the group. This selects the entire range of adjacent sheets. With those tabs still selected, click the cell you want to sum, ideally the same cell location on each sheet, such as B3. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel creates a formula that looks like sum sheet 1, sheet 5, B3, which adds B3 from every sheet between the first and last tab you selected. This method works best when each sheet shares the same layout. If you add a new sheet inside that tab range later, it's automatically included. If you move a sheet out of the range, it's excluded. To edit the formula, press F2 or double-click the cell and adjust the sheet range or cell as needed. With these two techniques, you can build powerful summaries that stay linked to your source data, keep your workbook tidy, and reduce manual updates.